Here we have a 2016 66 plate BMW 320d M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get the 19-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, finished in black as you can see just there. You've got the M Sport calipers just behind, black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork which looks absolutely fantastic, and as you can tell the vehicle is all stealthed out. You've then got the black kidney grills at the front here. You may have also noticed we've got a full M Performance kit on this vehicle consisting of the front splitter, the side skirts, rear diffuser and the rear spoiler as well. Now coming to this side you'll see your second 19-inch alloy wheel. Apologies for the sun, it's a very bright day. We've then got the M Sports badging, side skirts down below, black trim around the windows with the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top. And there's a closer look at your third 19-inch alloy wheel. Spoiler at the rear which really sets the back end off nicely. Now as we take a step back you'll see we've got the black diffuser at the rear as well as the dual exit exhausts on the left hand side. Now opening up the boot here, let's have a look at what storage space we've got there. Plenty of space for whatever you may need. And now let's close that up. As you can see, the vehicle itself is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. It's also worth noting we do have a reversing parking sensor with visual display inside the car as well. There's a closer look at your last alloy wheel. And let's go on to the interior now. Full black Dakota leather interior, 3 seats in the rear, fold down armrest in the centre, ISO fixed points within the seats, vents in the middle just there. On the doors, integrated speakers, we've got the gloss black trim, brushed metal handle and electric window controls, additional storage space down below. Going on to the front now, we've got that same full black Dakota leather interior. Now both of these front passengers do have heated seats as well, which can be controlled in the centre. On the doors you've got your Harman Kardon sound system, which sounds absolutely fantastic. More of that gloss black trim, electrically adjustable wing mirrors with electric window controls, and again the additional storage down below. Stepping inside, auto lights on our right just here. We'll now start the vehicle up, foot on the brake, start button, and we are away. Now as you can see we've got the multifunctional steering wheel with features like speed limiter, cruise control, phone controls, volume controls. There's a look at the dashboard. As you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard there. We've just got the low fuel range, but that is nothing to worry about of course. Auto wiper controls on the right hand side, auto high beam assist on the left hand side just there as well. Infotainment screen in the middle with features like satellite navigation. You've then got your media consisting of USB, Bluetooth, auxiliary, and of course CD there as well. You've then got your DAB radio, telephone connectivity for making calls or listening to your music. Put a vehicle into reverse, you'll get a visual display of your rear parking sensor, and then of course we do also have the different driving modes consisting of Sport Plus, Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, so you can pick and choose which mode best suits your driving style at the time. Now coming down you've then got your stereo controls with traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls just below so you can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently, heated seat controls for both front passengers as well as convenient shortcuts like the Max AC, additional storage space, 2 good sized cup holders below here with 12 volt connectivity, traction control. You've then got your mode selects, of course the gear stick with park, reverse, neutral, drive, and then pull it across to the left you've got manual / sport mode, so you can actually change gears like so should you wish. Coming into the centre you've then got your control wheel and shortcuts again for the infotainment screen, handbrake in the centre as well as the soft touch leather armrest just behind, which does also double up as storage. You've got an USB and auxiliary input just there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide delivery, competitive low finance, a fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. That is all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 320d. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you'd expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Starting off, we do have cruise control and speed limiter on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll press the cruise control button, push up on the trigger, and we're now now cruising at our current speed. To deactivate this, we can either press cruise control again or apply pressure to the brakes, and we're back to normal control. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 6th gear, 5th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 7th, 6th, 5th, 4th, and down into 3rd. And as you can tell through those gear changes, completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly as you would expect. Now, there are plenty of great features to talk about in this car. Of course, the comfort levels are definitely something to talk about, with the full black leather interior, which not only looks great, but is also incredibly comfortable, especially with the heated seat functions as well. You've then got plenty of great features on the infotainment screen, like your satellite navigation. You've also got Bluetooth phone connectivity, which ties in perfectly with the premium Harman Kardon sound system. Now, here at RS Car Sales, we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 2 years as well. We are also a 5-star dealership. If you look online, you'll see we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other car sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online and check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now, you can find us on social media as well. We are on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and TikTok, so make sure to follow us on any of those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now, I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park where I'll perform an emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there. Straight into reverse. As you can see, we've got our reversing parking sensors on the screen as well. And now let's drive over the speed bump here as well. There we go. And as you can tell, completely free from any knocks or bangs throughout this whole journey, which of course you would be listening out for if you were here with me today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, I'm not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome should you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed in either the online photos, video walk around or this video test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That is all from me on today's video. I hope you found this useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.